Hello, guys. Welcome to Sun Insurance and Logistics. Today, I wanted to take you around places in Wisconsin where you can fix your car at low prices. Some of these mechanic shops have been here several times, and they can fix your car without necessarily taking it to a dealer. All you have to do, take it to a local shop and identify a mechanic who you like and who knows how to fix, and then they can fix at a cheaper price. So these are the places I'm going to be taking pictures as I will be driving around, so you can have a feeling how it looks like. So welcome, and please let me know what you think. And if you live around the Madison area, this place is close to the airport, Dane County Airport, where you can go and get your vehicle fixed. All right, let's see what happens. So this place here, as I'm driving, is close to the airport, and I've been here several times. So they have different shops around here, whereby you can bring your vehicle. So these are the shops over there. They have their cameras installed for security purposes, and they do have a tow truck here. They can use you 24-hour towing, and this looks like the vehicle which are wrecked or in an accident or wherever, and they just bring them here and they repair them. And this is the yard where they keep their vehicles. This area looks like it's an industrial area, small industrial area, and this is where you can bring your vehicle. Over the other side is United Rentals, and this is where they get their mail. And I'm gonna go to the other side. They have two lots. Let me see, this one's here. A lot of vehicles. And it's a private property, but I believe today is open. So a lot of cars here which need to be repaired. I see BMWs, Toyota, and all the foreign cars. These are the guys, the mechanics, and it's close to the airport. You can see the plane. I don't know if you saw it. And so they have different shops here whereby customers can come wherever you like. You just come and get your vehicle taken care of. All these are vehicles which have been brought here for repair, and these guys are very decent in price and they do a very good job. So when I bring my vehicle, this is sometimes I bring it to this shop right here. The owner is closed for Thanksgiving weekend, and this guy, I think he's from Colombia somewhere, and he does a very good job. He has worked on my BMW and my other vehicles. So this is where you park. It's a small area. You can leave your car here for if it's not repaired, and you can come and looks like the other side is a storage. So they have a lot of vehicles. I have a lot of vehicles which they repair. I can see cargo vans over there. These are personal vehicles, and these are the the mechanic shops, they are closed today. It's because of the Thanksgiving holiday. So this is where these shops are. And it's as small as this, but they do a very good job. And that one, I don't know if you can see the shop, but this is where you can get your vehicle repaired. And that's from the other side where I came from. And this guy really does. They do a lot of good work. So let me know what you think. If you have a vehicle you would like to bring to the local mechanic, these are the places. Especially if you come from Africa and you don't have a lot of money, you have not settled down, and you bought a used vehicle and you want it to be repaired, you don't know how to get to the mechanic. These guys, they take cash. You can negotiate on the price of parts and labor, and they can be able to fix your car, and you can keep going. So guys, let me know what you think. And this is the way this place looks from the back here. It's a small area, and the other side there's some business going on. Madison Auto Recycle, and that is the area right there. And this is the north side of Madison, the north side. Alright guys, and this is the way this area looks like. It's a lot of vehicles, small vehicles, engine generator specialist. So if you want to have a problem with your engine generator, you bring it over there. And this area looks like they're dealing with the cranes. This is more of a construction. This is more of a construction area. I don't think I can be allowed to go inside there and film. But this is where if you want to do the construction, this is the ideal. You can come here and I believe get something. I don't know if I can turn inside here. Let me see if I can turn inside here. And so this is the area right here. I can probably turn. So this is the crane area. So it's an area whereby you have a lot of equipment. I don't want to go over that area. Yeah, it looks they either service or you rent, and then that's the way it looks like. And over the other side is more cranes for buildings and other stuff. So this is the way this place looks like. And like I said, it's close to the airport. All right, that's it guys, and that's the train right there. So this is a junction. I'm gonna follow this junction and end up in TA. That's it for now guys. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.